What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. This is Day One Adventures, and today's adventure, we are going back to Milan's Real Philly Cheesesteak and Hoagies in Bear, Delaware. The reason I want to check them out, I like to go to some places twice, just to make sure and to try out other things on the menu. So last time I checked out their cheesesteak. Cheesesteak was good, but do they have the formula to hit a home run with a second sandwich? So I went back a second time to try something else and see if they really had the formula to a really good cheesesteak. Now, one of my favorite places to get a chicken cheesesteak is Kibibbles on South Street. The original one from across the street from the TLA. Now, the other one is good also, but those are pretty much, I don't get chicken cheesesteaks all that much, but when I do, I like a good one. And they have a jerk chicken cheesesteak there at Milan's that I wanted to try. So went there, talked to one of the partners there. Aaron told me about how they made it and everything, and I said, yeah, let me try this out. So I got the jerk chicken cheesesteak, and I'm gonna let y'all know, do they have the formula? I believe so. I think they got the formula to a really good sandwich because this chicken cheesesteak, the jerk seasoning on it, the meat was nice and grilled, they had the roll was good. And if you look at the sandwich, the way everything's coming together with the peppers, the onions, and the mushrooms, and it's all in there together. The cheese has got a nice little pull on it, and the bread. Now the bread was good. They stepped it up a little bit on the bread this time. What he did was he toasted the bread. And the bread toasted, it went to a different place. This sandwich is so delicious. I really enjoyed it. Out of 9, this jerk chicken cheesesteak, I'm gonna go straight 9 on it. One of the best sandwiches I've had. I really enjoyed it. It was nice, soft, toasting the bread, make it nice and crunchy and everything. So I really enjoyed the sandwich. Didn't feel like I was missing anything. I would suggest getting it mild because that's seasoning on there. And by talking to Aaron and everything and find out how he's involved in the community, how they are involved with the community and everything. They even have some desserts there that look like next on the list because I'll probably be checking them out. But they got a couple of different desserts there. I talked to somebody that was there. They had just had the carrot cake. They said it was delicious, not overly sweet. And they got some cookies there. So it's definitely a place that I would highly suggest going back to. Now, some people said they were okay. I don't know where they've been eating their steaks at, but for me, in my book, and the places I've been eating, I like them. I really like them. They are doing some good work there. They're doing a consistent work. And I think that's the important thing. You're getting the value for your money and you're getting consistency. I'm pretty sure any day I walk in there, I'm gonna get a good sandwich. And it seems like everybody that was going in there are regulars. Like they're coming in there and they're coming back, so, which is saying something. Say who you are.
Oh, I'm Aaron. Aaron of Milan's Real Philly Cheesesteaks and Hoagies. One of the managing partners here. We got Alan. We got our team back here: Alex, Gennaro, and Isabel.
All right.
Tony, Beeb, Caden, Kendall, Tamika. Brother Gary's in the back. He's here. Okay. Tristan, Kareem.
Okay.
So yeah, we got a diverse team.
So have you tried them? Have you tried the jerk chicken cheesesteak? Let me know in the comments. What sandwich should I try next? Hit me up on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and do me a favor. Hit that like button for me and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. It really does help out the channel a lot and I appreciate it. So until next adventure, remember, take care of each other, peace out, and I'll see you all soon.